So guys, NIO stock absolutely exploding, up 20% in Hong Kong, up about 13% pre-market as we're recording this video. There's some shocking revelation about the new investment deal from the government. Yeah, crazy. And also, cars are sold out in the stores. Delivery centers absolutely packed. You're going to see all of that and also some new CEO clips in this video. First of all, like, sub, hit the bell, share this video with friends. So, first of all, the shocking revelation is, of course, the fact that it wasn't NIO asking the government for money. It was actually the government, Anhui government, and those strategic investors chasing NIO, not literally, but, begging NIO to invest in NIO. What does that say about the proposition of investing in NIO? Even the government sees NIO as such a good, lucrative investment. They're begging NIO CEO for them to invest in NIO. And still some people are bearish on NIO and Onvo. How come? Why? But first, let's roll that clip. I got two really nice clips. First, the CEO is going to break down the importance and what this all means.
Today, we've just announced some good news regarding our NIO strategic investment shareholders, namely our shareholders from Hefei, Anhui, and CITIC, who've made a new round of investment in NIO China.
This isn't just a vote of confidence in our future, but also solid support for Hefei and Anhui's EV industry, and shows faith in China's high-quality EV development. Special thanks to Hefei, Anhui, and all our shareholders.
And here, we got one of these strategic investors actually talk about why they invested in NIO. And this is a pretty important thing and shows that they are the ones that really want to invest in NIO. And it wasn't NIO asking them for money.
感觉未来汽车是我们追着李斌去来获取这个投资机会。原因什么呢？首先呢，李斌比较成功的 entrepreneur， 非常成功的把易车网从零做到今天。我们感觉我们应该去支持一个有理想、有抱负的这样一个创业者。
Absolutely insane, right? Makes you wonder why some people are still bearish with Onvo, why people are still bearish. Like, come on, even the government's bullish, man. Come on, right? So, of course, when it comes to deliveries, delivery centers are also absolutely packed. Take a look at these video clips. These are, of course, the delivery center. And there's so many cars in the delivery centers. Onvo cars being delivered, NIO cars being delivered, and they're going to sell even more cars going forward. This month, we're going to get 20,000. Absolutely no problem with that at all. And in fact, they're selling so well. All right, they're selling so well that some of the stores also have their cars all sold out. Okay, they actually have that sign on the car that says this car has been sold. And basically, when you want a car and you want to buy it right away, you can get it made in the factory, but it takes a few weeks. Or you can just buy one of the inventory cars or a showroom car. And in this case, in many stores, the showroom cars are all sold out, and they have that plaque displaying that it's sold out, this car has been accounted for. But they still, of course, have to display the car for customers to see. Otherwise, you can't have an empty store, right? So they're going to have the car there for a few days, and then when it comes to the end of the month, in just a few days, until NIO can get a new car to put in the showroom, that car is going to be there, and then it's going to be delivered to the customer that bought it, and that bought and paid for that car. So cars are being sold out even in the stores. Absolutely nuts. And of course, what do we have going on? We have another auto show going on, the Hefei auto show. And we know for a fact that NIO's headquarters, well, their R&D headquarters is in Shanghai, but their NIO China headquarters, which is their basically manufacturing headquarters, is in Hefei. So that's sort of like their home turf, and they've been selling really well in Hefei. The government has also pledged to build 1,000 swap charge stations with NIO. All right, so government's going to put in money, and this is not the deal that just happened yesterday. All right, this is a deal that happened like half a year ago. So they're going to be building a ton of swap stations there. They're going to be selling a ton of cars there, and of course, that auto show is happening right now. So they're also going to get a whole bunch of sales from this auto show, and that's also very, very bullish. And of course, with Onvo deliveries, they've actually said that Anybody that orders the car this year, they're going to be getting the car this year. They won't have to wait until 2025, which is absolutely fantastic. Even the Onvo CEO himself, when he was at the delivery center, because during the presentation, he was on stage presenting, right? He couldn't just take out his phone and start ordering the car. He was there presenting. So he could only order the car afterwards. So he couldn't, he wasn't actually part of the first batch of Onvo owners. Kind of funny, right? Onvo CEO, he has to actually wait 4 weeks as well because, there's so many orders, right? There's so many people buying Onvo cars. And then NIO CEO himself, he actually was one of the first early ones, but then his wife wanted a purple car with purple interior. So they changed it. And that also meant that NIO CEO had to wait a while to get his car as well. So even though they're CEOs, they still got to wait in line just like everybody else. And it just shows how many orders there are. There's just a ton of Onvo orders, a ton of NIO orders. And the confidence in the brand is just fantastic. And even here, social media in China, like a lot of people are attacking Onvo because of how cheap and great that car is. And you see a lot of people defending Onvo, defending NIO for the great product it is, simply out of goodwill because they really, really like the brand. So last off, I'm going to leave you guys with an excellent clip from NIO CEO at the auto show. Check this out, and don't forget to hit the like button. As always, stay safe, stay healthy. Peace out.
Hello everyone, I'm Yu Dongming from NIO Anhui Brother Bin, and I are at the Hefei Auto Show. Hi everyone, I'm Li Bin from NIO. I've toured the entire exhibition hall for you. It's really worth coming. We've brought all our cars to the show, brand new models, including large new ones, and a beautifully modified car by our users. It's very stylish. The ET5T, then our 4th gen battery swap station, 2 minutes 38 seconds, right?
2 minutes 38 seconds. This battery swap experience, you can come see it in person. We've brought a swap station here. Additionally, you can check out our exhibition, see where our annual 13 billion R&D budget goes. Also, we have on the second floor a very spacious lounge area. If you're tired from browsing, you can rest there for a bit. Even if you don't buy at NIO, it's fine. You're still welcome to relax there. We welcome everyone to visit. As you know, this year we're selling very well in Hefei, and soon across Anhui we'll have charging and swap stations everywhere. This will happen in the coming months. So if you want a high-end EV now, not just any high-end EV for a top-tier car, choose NIO, okay? National Day is coming up soon. It's our country's 75th birthday. In this golden autumn season, thanks again for your support. Wishing you a happy holiday. Visit NIO's booth to check in. Let's connect together.